Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We are always moving forward in the pursuit of perfection. Today, we introduce you to the new Dongfeng S7, a midsize SUV that combines luxury and performance. First, let's take a look at the exterior design of the Dongfeng S7. It adopts a streamlined body design, and the front grille and headlights are combined to show a sense of dynamism and power. Every line is a tribute to speed and power. Entering the car, the interior is spacious and uses high-end materials to create a comfortable driving environment. The center console is equipped with a large-size touchscreen that supports a variety of smart interconnection functions, allowing the driver to easily enjoy the convenience brought by technology while driving. In terms of power, the Dongfeng S7 is equipped with an advanced power system and intelligent driving assistance technology, and is equipped with an efficient engine that provides strong power output. At the same time, the vehicle's suspension system has been carefully tuned to ensure good handling and comfort, allowing you to enjoy the fun and safety of driving, whether on urban roads or rugged mountain roads. Seamlessly connected smart technology makes every trip fun. With voice control, you can easily stay on top of your itinerary and stay focused on the road. Safety is our top priority. The Dongfeng S7 is equipped with full-range airbags, electronic stability control system, and intelligent driving assistance system to protect you and your family on every journey. Choose Dongfeng S7 and make every trip an unforgettable journey, caring about every kilometer you travel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to get more car information. See you next time.